Lions are the second largest cats in the world, after tigers. Known as the king of beasts, or king of the jungle, these regal felines once roamed Africa, Asia and Europe, but now only live in parts of Africa and India. Experts have long recognized two subspecies of lion, Panthera leo leo, the African lion, and Panthera leo persica, the Asiatic lion. However, recent studies suggest that lions from West and Central Africa are more closely related to Asian lions than they are to lions from the eastern and southern parts of Africa, according to the Cat Specialist Group, a component of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. In 2017, the Cat Specialist Group published their reclassification of lions, grouping the cats into two new subspecies, Panthera leo leo, also called the northern subspecies, and Panthera leo melanochata, the southern subspecies. How big are lions? African lions can grow to measure between 9 and 10 feet long, 3 meters, from head to tail, with the tail being about 2 to 3 feet long, 60 to 91 centimeters, according to the Smithsonian National Zoo. They typically weigh between 330 to 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, with males reaching the higher end of that range. Asiatic lions, also called Asian or Indian lions, are slightly smaller than African lions. They are 6.6 to 9.2 feet, 2 to 2.8 m, long from head to tail and weigh between 240 to 418 pounds, 110 to 190 kilograms, according to the World Wildlife Fund. Lions tend to have loose skin hanging from their midsection, possibly to help protect them from the piercing hooves of their frantic prey. Asiatic lions also have a fold of skin that runs along their belly, a feature rarely seen in African lions, according to the African Lion and Environmental Research Trust, ALERT, a research and conservation organization. Compared with African lions, Asiatic lions tend to have shaggier coats, longer hair tufts on their elbows, and a longer tassel on the end of their tail. Not only are male lions generally larger than females, but they also have a distinctive thick mane of hair around their heads that females lack. The biggest and most fabulous manes are more impressive to sexually mature females and more intimidating to competing males, according to the San Diego Zoo. The mane also protects the male's neck during fights over territory or mating access. African lions tend to have bigger, more magnificent manes compared to their Asiatic cousins. Where do lions live? African lions live in Angola, Botswana, Mozambique, Tanzania, the Central African Republic, South Sudan, and other parts of sub-Saharan Africa. Male lions defend the pride's territory, which may include an area of up to 100 square miles, 259 square kilometers, of shrubs, grasslands and open woodlands, according to the Cincinnati Zoo in Ohio. Asiatic lions are found only in the Indian state of Gujarat in western India, where most reside in the protected Shasan Gir National Park, a 545 square mile, 412 square kilometer, wildlife haven. The Indian government designated this land, which includes a deciduous forest, grasslands, scrub jungle and rocky hills, as a wildlife sanctuary in 1965, according to the park's website. In addition to more than 500 lions and 300 leopards, the park is home to deer, antelope, jackal, hyenas, foxes, reptiles and more than 200 species of birds. Lion pride dynamics. Lions are social cats and live in groups called prides. Asiatic and African lion prides are very different, though. African lion prides typically consist of up to 3 adult males and around a dozen females and their young, according to the Sedgwick County Zoo in Wichita, Kansas. Some prides can grow to be extremely large, however, with up to 40 members. Females tend to remain in the pride in which they are born, so they are usually related to each other. Males, on the other hand, wander off to create their own prides when they are old enough. Asiatic male lions normally won't live with the females of their pride unless they're mating or are sharing a large kill, according to the Zoological Society of London. How do lions hunt? African lions tend to hunt large animals such as antelopes, zebras, hogs, rhinos, hippos and wildebeest. Asiatic lions also hunt large animals, including buffaloes, goats, nilgai, a large Asian antelope, chital and sambhar, two types of deer. Lions can kill animals that weigh up to 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms, according to the Smithsonian National Zoo, but they will also hunt smaller animals like mice and birds when opportunities arise. Females are the main hunters of the pride and work cooperatively in hunting parties to surround and take down prey. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, for short distances and leap as far as 36 feet, 11 meters, almost the length of a school bus, according to the World Wildlife Fund. To bring down prey, lions jump on the backs of very large animals but will ankle tap smaller animals, meaning they reach out a paw and swipe the prey's legs to trip them up, according to Alert. To kill their prey, lions use their powerful jaws to snap the animal's neck or to strangle it to death. Very occasionally, males will join in the hunting action, particularly if the prey is extremely large, like an elephant or water buffalo. Otherwise, the main job of the male is to protect the pride, while the female lions hunt in packs. African males who live alone are required to hunt by themselves and tend to hide in dense vegetation to engage in ambush-style hunting, according to Smithsonian Magazine. Lions typically hunt at night and often lurk around water holes, streams and rivers, as those areas are hot spots for prey. Lions will also scavenge and won't hesitate to steal other predators' kills or eat the leftovers, according to Alert.